Hello folks, welcome back. Let's see what today brings. We're going to start off with the 2162 forward rotation off center grip. 7, we'll count that. Buttons off. 3, 4. Okay. Start again. Same set. Let's hope we keep that button off all the time. 9, buttons on. Points 9. 3, 6. Well, if you want to be great at something, you have to take that step. Being great is not a gift. Okay? Every day you wake up, you have to ask yourself, you're going to go back to bed or you're going to get up and face the day? If you choose to get up and face the day, 3, 1, 2. That's your step of achieving the goal. One step closer to becoming great. So I hope you keep up on your practice. And don't hesitate. And every day you wake up, you try to improve than what you did the day before, you know? Same set. 11. 6, 5. Everybody can be average, but not everybody can be great. Those who want to be great, they have to want it. How many times you go to a concert or a play and you see the actors or the performers on stage and the rest of the people are just in the audience just dreaming about being on stage? There's no difference between the two, except that one took the leap and decided to do something about it, while the other, 6, 4, 2, is just happy watching others go by. So, do you want to be great? Then do something about it. Wake up, face the day, and make a plan. All right? Same set. Trying to nail that 12 and 2s. Four, 2, 2. Well, we got a 2, but 2 too many. That's already 6 rows. Let's not push it. Let's try to control the 6 this way. Okay. 8, 5, 3. A little too much power there, a little too high, but it works out okay. Every toss you make, always analyze it. Be aware of how you deliver it, what happened. So if there's any tweak that you can make it on the next row. Okay. 10, 6, 4. So always be aware of your actions. And don't play the game. Play the math, okay? 8, 6, 2. Okay. Remember, can't beat the game you don't show for practice. We're at 9. This would be the 10th row, so usually you shut your bets off because we know the sweet spot for the 7 is 8, 9, 10. So 6, 3, 3. Okay, that's 10 to roll. The key is if you want it bad enough, you can achieve it. Just don't give up. The result will come. Just give it time, okay? 6, 3, 3, 6 is a set. 10. 6, 4. Okay, same set. Seven, 4, 3. And that is 11th row, cropped out on the 12th. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. It's okay, not bad. Not great, but it's okay. It's a warm-up time. No point in it. So we'll keep this short. Every time I 7 up, we'll end the video and restart it. Okay, see you next episode.